Let us know about some other reactions of hydrogen. Reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. We all know that hydrogen and oxygen combine with each other to form water. Hydrogen burns in oxygen to form water is an exothermic reaction. Water is also formed when electric sparks are passed through a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. So in this reaction, we can see that the molecules of hydrogen and oxygen combined to form the new substance water. This kind of reactions are called combination reaction. So what are combination reaction? The reaction in which two or more simple substances combine to form a compound is called combination reaction. So the formation of water is an example of a combination reaction. Reaction between hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen combines with chlorine in the presence of sunlight to form hydrogen chloride. The chemical equation for this reaction is given by H2 plus Cl2 in presence of sunlight to form 2HCl. Formation of hydrogen chloride is an example of a combination reaction. Following are the examples of combination reaction. So children, did you understand the difference between substitution reaction and combination reaction? Now let us learn about some of the uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen is used for the industrial production of ammonia NH3 and methanol CH3OH. It is used to saturate the unsaturated oils. Moreover, hydrogen is used as a good fuel. Hydrogen as a fuel. We all know that hydrogen is a combustible gas. Hence, it is a good fuel with high calorific value. Do you know what is calorific value? The calorific value of a fuel is the heat energy released from 1 unit mass of that fuel on complete combustion. Now look at the graph showing the amount of heat energy produced by burning 1 gram of different fuels. Which fuel has the highest calorific value among these? Hydrogen. So what will be the product formed when hydrogen burns in air? Of course, it is water, right? So let us analyze the advantages and limitations of hydrogen as a fuel. Advantages of hydrogen as a fuel. Hydrogen is a renewable source of energy as its availability is plenty in nature. The efficiency of hydrogen is very high as it has a high calorific value. Burning of hydrogen doesn't cause any environmental pollution as its byproduct is water. Let us see the limitations. Hydrogen is a gas which burns with explosion, so it can be dangerous. It is very difficult to store and transport as it is highly volatile in nature. The energy produced by hydrogen is expensive to produce. If we overcome all these limitations, hydrogen will become a universal fuel. So children, did you understand the advantages and limitations of hydrogen as a fuel? So children, it's the time to wind up today's class. Today we discussed about the importance of nonmetals in the life activities and about the hydrogen, its preparation and the reactions of hydrogen with other elements. Laboratory preparation of hydrogen. Hydrogen is prepared in the laboratory by reacting reactive metals with acids. The reactions where an element in a compound is displaced by another element is called displacement reactions or substitution reactions. The reaction in which two or more simple substances combine to form a compound is called combination reaction. The reaction between hydrogen and oxygen to form water and that with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride is an example of a combination reaction. Uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen is used for the industrial production of some important compounds like ammonia, methanol, etc. It is also used to saturate the unsaturated oils, and it is used as a fuel. Hydrogen as a fuel. There are certain advantages and limitations to use the hydrogen as a universal fuel. If it is possible to use this hydrogen as a fuel in future, the problems like the scarcity of fossil fuels and environmental pollution can be overcome through a certain extent. Alright children, so let's meet you in the next class. Thank you.